Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first day of stopping by, this is Mining with Gentle Breeze. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are one of the reasons, in fact, you are the major reason we must keep posting these videos here to keep you updated about our day in, day out activities out here in the field of mining. In today's video, we will be showing you how to use one excavator, one washing machine, and some mini pumping machine to do mining work. As you already seen in this video, here is one cat excavator 225 cl. It's really amazing. It's really in good condition, and as you can see, it's doing amazing work. To use one excavator to do mining, you need to be sure that your excavator is really in good condition. If not, it's gonna break down because it has to do the gathering of material, transferring of material, and as well feeding the washing machine with the material, just as it's doing currently. Can you see why the excavator is busy feeding the washing machine? There are some people up there on the washing machine using the pipe coming from the mini pumping machines to make sure the materials being put up on the washing machines are washed thoroughly to make sure there is no stone left unturned. So guys, I'm very sure you're having a very good watch of this amazing video. Yeah, there are much material on the washing machine, so the excavator is waiting patiently for it to go down before it releases the one inside the bucket of the excavator. Yeah, it has dropped it. Here it turns. This is the material where it has gathered it very close to the washing machine before it now positions itself for feeding of the washing machine. Can you see it? It really takes a strong excavator to do this job. If you don't trust your excavator to be that strong, I must say I don't advise you to use one excavator to go into the field of mining. Can you see the water gushing out? Yeah. Here is the material. It's a heap of material. It's really huge. It's big. Yeah, the excavator is not actually moving. It's staying at one place. It's just turning around to grab the material and feed the washing machine. That's just the work it's doing currently, as you all can see. The pressure of the pumping machine is too much. That's why sometimes you see the water splashing in another direction. The material is really too much. It can't be finished. I don't think so. Here is the chaff. That is what is being washed. There is the chaff, the stones that comes out of the material being washed. Yeah, it's from that thing that is coming out of the bucket of the excavator. That's the stone we just see now. Here are people up on the washing machine busy directing the pipe coming from the washing machine where the water with enough pressure, oh my gosh, can you see that? Directing it in the right direction where the so that it will get the materials washed very well. Oh, that was really enough. Do you see back of the washing machine? The chaff also drops from there. This is the major direction where the chaff falls off the washing machine. As it is being washed, that is where the chaff will be going out from. That is where the chaff will be going out from. Yeah. The chaff is more of stones. It's more of stone and some mud and some, yeah, just that. So you can see the pipes, the blue pipes up there, and also see the mini pumping machines over there. That's where the water is coming from, the water being used to wash the materials up on the washing machine. You can see the blue pipes, yeah, and see the direction where the water is coming out from the washing machine. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, here you go. Actually, the place where the water is flowing, that is where the material, the gold, is being retained. That's where the gold is being retained. Here are the mini washing machines. So guys, we'll be ending today's video here. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share and comment. See you in next video. Bye.